Most people replace the wrong part for a P0031 code. Here's the first thing you should check before spending a single dollar. If you are getting a P0031 error code, this video is going to show you a practical, at-home solution to fix it. First, use your Zeus app to scan your vehicle and confirm the P0031 error code. This code is triggered when your vehicle's engine control module, ECM, detects a fault in the heater circuit of the oxygen sensor, specifically Bank 1, Sensor 1. Here is a simple DIY method you can try to solve this problem. Method A, the oxygen sensor. The Bank 1, Sensor 1 oxygen sensor is located in the exhaust manifold, positioned right before the catalytic converter. You can identify Bank 1 as the side of the engine containing cylinder number 1. Perform a visual inspection of the oxygen sensor, its electrical connections, the wire harness, and the metal tabs, checking carefully for any signs of damage, corrosion, or wear. If you find any damage during your inspection, replace the oxygen sensor. If you do not see any visible damage, the issue may be more complex, and you should consult a professional mechanic to diagnose the fault. After the repair, here is the most practical way to finalize the fix. Use the Zeus app to clear the P0031 error code, then tap the rescan button to verify that your vehicle system is clear and operating correctly. If this video helped you fix your P0031 engine code, hit the like button, subscribe to Engine Clinic, and turn on notifications for more fast DIY engine code repairs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.